If you're seeing OneDrive error code 0x8004Deef, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple set of fixes that can help resolve the sign-in problem and get OneDrive working again. This is a common issue when OneDrive runs into account, cache, or permission glitches, and the good news is that you can often fix it without reinstalling Windows or losing any files. So if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to run OneDrive as an administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to start properly. To do that, open the Start menu and search for OneDrive. When you see it in the results, right-click on OneDrive and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once OneDrive opens, check whether the error still appears. Sometimes this alone is enough to clear up a temporary permission issue. If the problem continues, the next step is to unlink and relink OneDrive. This is one of the most effective fixes for account sync errors and sign-in glitches. Start by clicking the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray or taskbar. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. After that, click the gear icon for Help and Settings, then select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Account tab and click Unlink this PC. Confirm the action if prompted. Once your PC is unlinked, restart OneDrive and sign in again with the same Microsoft account you normally use. This forces OneDrive to rebuild the connection between your computer and your cloud account. Be sure to follow the sign-in prompts carefully and allow the app to complete setup. In many cases, this refreshes the connection and removes the 0x8004Deef error. If you're still having trouble, the next fix is to reset the Windows Store cache. A corrupted store cache can sometimes interfere with Microsoft services in the background, including OneDrive. To do this, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type wsreset.exe and press Enter. A black command prompt window will appear briefly, and then the Microsoft Store should launch automatically. Once that happens, you can close the store and restart your computer. After the restart, open OneDrive again and check whether the sign-in issue is gone. If OneDrive now opens normally, that means the cache reset helped clear the problem. At this point, you should also make sure Windows is fully updated because pending updates can sometimes cause Microsoft account and sync errors as well. If the error still appears after these steps, double check that your internet connection is stable and that no VPN, proxy, or firewall setting is blocking OneDrive from connecting properly. You can also sign out of your Microsoft account in other apps and sign back in to refresh your credentials, but for most users, the administrator launch, unlink, and relink method and store cache reset are the main fixes that solve OneDrive error code 0x8004Deef. Try these steps in order, and if one of them works, you're all set. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.